Hi guys! Welcome mga MathKahugot. This is Sir Jayvee, your math tutor. So for today's topic, we will be discussing about finding equation of the line given any 2 points. Tara guys, mga kahugot, mga ka-real life, let's have this topic. So ang objective natin for today is to define 2-point slope form and determine equation of the line given any 2 points. So determining equation of the line given any 2 points. So guys, ang una nating consider syempre ay yung ating equation for 2 points. So meron tayong y minus y sub 1 equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1, which is said to be our 2-point form. Kung napansin niyo po dito, si y sub 2 minus y sub 1, x sub 2 minus x sub 1, ito po yung ginagamit natin sa slope. So, ano ba yung purpose nito? So, ginagamit natin siya kapag naghanap tayo ng equation gamit ang 2 points. So, given ang point A natin, which is x sub 1, y sub 1, at point B natin, which is x sub 2, y sub 2, pwede na po tayo makakuha ng equation ng the line. Ginagamit din natin yung mga points na to pag tayo ay nag-graph. So, meron tayong 2 simple steps. The first step is to substitute the 2 points in the equation by having x sub 1, y sub 1 as our first point and x sub 2, y sub 2 as our second point. So, after yun guys, we're going to rewrite the equation into the standard form. Napaka-importante po nun. There are some teachers that allow the answer to be on the graphical form or slope-intercept form. May mga guru naman na mas prefer nila yung standard form since nga siya nga yung standard. Now, try natin magkaroon ng isang example. So, let's try one example, guys. So, finding the equation of the line in standard form that passes through the point 1, 2, and 3, 4. So, meron tayong 2 points ngayon, which is 1, 2, and 3, 4. So, what you're going to do? You're going to use the 2-point form. So, syempre, meron tayong dalawang points, which is 1 and 2, 3, 4. So, isasubstitute natin siya. Since yung first point natin ay 1, 2, that will be x sub 1, y sub 1, at ang ating 3, 4, ang second point natin, that will be x sub 2, y sub 2. So, guys, i-apply natin sa ating problem. So, what will be our step? Dalawang step natin. Ulitin ko First step natin, substitute the value ng ating 2 points. After nun, simplify natin. So, if you have time, guys, na medyo nalilito kayong mag-simplify from from slope-intercept form into standard form, merong video sa channel ko, Hugot Sipnayan, dito po, na pwede nyong gamitin, syempre. Now, try natin siyang i-apply. So, I have y minus y sub 1, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Ang ating 2-point form. So, kung napansin nyo guys, dito ang ginawa, nagkameron ng representation. So, yung representation itself, pwede nyo siyang gamitin para sa ating problem. So, we're going to replace the given equation with our point. So, y sub 1 natin guys ay 2. Yun po. So, same thing with this. We have y sub 2, which is 4. Kaya po 4 yun. Okay. So, x sub 2 natin is 3. That's why naging 3 po yun. So, x sub 1 natin ay negative 1. Kaya po negative 1 yun. And, para po sa ating last part, x sub 1 po natin, which is 1. Now, we're going to simplify that. Isi-simplify guys natin muna yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is said to be our slope. So, napansin nyo, tinanggal lang yung parenthesis nito. Tinanggal lang parenthesis nyo, kaya naging ganito. So, tapos sinolve nyo na sa loob. So, 4 minus 2, that is 2. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, 2 divided by 2, guys. Siyempre, simpleng-simple, 1. Okay? So, meron tayong y minus 2 times equals to 1 times x minus 1. So, ngayon, tuloy natin ang ating problem sa next panel natin. So, ang gagawin natin sa 1, i-distribute natin sa x minus 1. So, multiplying that, guys, it will be 1 minus 2 equals to x minus 1. So, kung napansin ninyo, parang walang pinagbaling equation kasi 1 lang naman ang multiply natin. Now, we will continue with the next item, guys. We need to put x, itong x na to, guys, on the other side. So, ang purpose natin, guys, kailangan natin itong eliminate. Punta natin sa other side to, yung negative to naman on the other side. Now, if we're trying to put one term or one variable or one constant sa kabilang side ng equation, we always consider, guys, yung additive inverse. So, pag sinabing additive inverse, guys, kabaliktaran ng sign niya. So, dito, ang given natin ay negative 2. Para ilipat siya sa kabilang side, i-add natin, syempre, ang positive 2. For x naman, para ilipat sa kabilang side, kukunin naman natin yung negative x. Now, applying that equation will be negative x plus y equals to negative 1 plus 2. So, ulitin ko ha, binago po natin yung kanilang mga sign. Now, simplifying negative 1 plus 2, that would be a positive 1. Kung napansin niyo po, may negative 2 yung x. So guys, we do not allow a negative x. So, ang gagawin po natin, para mawala po yung negative x, i-multiply natin ang whole equation by negative 1. Or pwede mong i-divide by negative 1. The two things will do. So ngayon, pag ginawa natin yun, guys, magiging siyang x minus y equals to negative 1. Which is the answer for our problem. So, yun po yung paraan, guys, para makuha mo yung line given ng ating 2 points. So, clear ba yun? So, tingin natin. So, try natin magbigay pa ng other example. Paano naman, guys, ang equation kapag 4, negative 1 at negative 3, 7 ang binigay nating points? So, simple-simple lang, guys, yan. So, we're going to use 2-point form. So, applying 2-point form, ito, guys, yung pinaka-importanting bahagi nito. Kailangan, guys, you put them into the right representation. Okay? So, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2 para sa ating mga point. So, napaka-importante po nun. At guys, whenever you're trying to put on the equation, kailangan hindi ka magkakamali ng sign. So, pag nagkamali ka ng sign, automatic, mali po ang inyong kasagutan. Okay? Now, let's apply them to the problem. So, yun yung ating mga point. So, let us replace. So, ang ating negative 1, yun po. Very good. That will be correct. So, y sub 2 natin ay 7. So, 7 po, tama. Y sub 1 natin ay negative. That's correct. So, x sub 2 natin, guys, ay negative 3. Oh, medyo nalito pa ako dun, ha. So, ating x sub 1 ay 4. So, simplifying them, guys. So, ito, magiging siyang y plus 1. So, kasi po, y plus 1 kasi ito ay, pag galing sa subtraction, magiging siyang plus sign. Mas pabuhay mo yung sign, kaya po naging plus 1. So, 7 plus, syempre, same pattern. Yan, naging plus 1 yon. Ito naman ay magiging plus as magiging minus na sa loob. So, rules for integers. Dapat tandaan niyo po yun. Now, so we're going to simplify nasa loob. Sabi ko sa inyo, it will become 7 plus 1 is 8. Negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7. So, meron na kayong slope. Now guys, ang paraan dito para mas madali kang makapagsagot kapag nakakita ka ng fraction, kasi mga bata kasi kalimitan, kayo guys, kapag nakakita kayo ng fraction, nalilito agad. Yun ang wag nyong gagawin, guys. Kailangan, you try to be maging composure ka, nasa composure ka na, hindi ka malilito dapat. So, ang gagawin mo, guys, i-multiply mo sa numerator on the right side, ang denominator sa left side. Parang nag-multiply ka din ng LCD kapag ginawa mo yan. So, ang ginawa ko, same thing. Now, kung napansin niyo guys, ba't daw dito positive, dito ay negative? Samantalang dito negative 7, dito positive 7. Ang ginawa ko diyan guys, para mas madali mong i-multiply siya, si negative 7, kinuha ko yung negative niya. Para siyang 8 over negative 7 times multiply ko, multiply ko siya sa negative 1 over negative 1. Para nangyari, multiply ko lang yung negative 1 para maging sa positive 7 sa ilalim, negative 8 sa ilalim, sa ibabaw. Now, bakit po? Para guys, kapag nilipat ko yung x sa kabilang side, positive na siya. Hindi na ako mag-multiply pa sa negative 1. So, ang ginawa ko dito, so, multiply negative 8 on the other side, ito sa kabilang side. So, napansin nyo, naging 7 to, ito ay negative 8. So, guys, pwede kayong maglipat ng negative kapag fraction. Hindi mo bago ang value nun. Tsaka, minsan na talaga, hindi ina-allowed ang negative sa ilalim. Now, so let's multiply them to 7 y times y is 7y. 7 times 1 is 7. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x. Negative 4 times negative 8 is positive 32. So, ito po yung kasagutan sa ating ilalim. Now, so simplifying them, so sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan ilipat si negative 8x on the other side or sa ating left side, si positive 7 naman sa right side natin. So, pag ginawa mo yon, baguhin mo yung sign. Kaysa hindi transpose ang tawag doon. Ang tawag po doon ay additive inverse. So, pag ginamit mo additive inverse, we're going to have our final answer which is 8x plus 7y equals to 25. And that will be our answer, guys. So, I hope you learned something from our two example, guys. So, guys, try natin if we really understand our lesson for today or not. So, tandaan nyo guys ang ating formula for 2-point form ay y minus y sub 1 all over y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Ito po yung gagamitin nyo sa ating problem. So guys, I'm going to give you two given points. So, two sets of given points rather, negative 2, negative 4 times, and 2, 8. So, 2 and negative 4 tapos 3 and 6. So, I'm going to give you only 5 minutes to answer the following item here, guys, para malaman natin kung naintindihan nyo ba yung lesson natin for today or not. So, good luck, guys. You have 5 minutes. Okay guys, time's up. So let us try to recheck whether you have the answer or not. Kung tama po ba. So for number 1, ang sagot po natin ay 3x minus y equals to negative 2. At para po sa number 2 natin, we have 10x minus y equals to 24. Now, did you get it correct guys? Tama po ba kayo? So kung tama po kayo, very good po guys. Kung medyo nahihirapan kayo guys, so practice makes you a better person. So try mag-practice po sa bahay. You find other uh, item po na pwede nyo sagutan or books or pwede po sagutan. I'm also providing guys module. Papasahan ko po kung gusto ninyo para po mas maintindihan ninyo ang topic natin for today. So guys, so I hope you learned something po. So guys, thank you. Salamat po sa pagbisita sa aking channel. So I hope I will see you on the next video again. So ito po, don't forget to follow my page. Ito po. And my personal page. So God bless guys. Ingat po and mabuhay po tayong lahat. And let's have a nice day po para sa lahat. Ingat po and God bless.